Now I'll show you 3 strategies on how to get over 1000 subscribers on YouTube with one video, and I'll show you 5 real life examples how I have made it myself with each video. Let's start immediately with the first example. So here is the first video that generated me at the moment more than 1100 subscribers, and you can see it generating more and more subscribers all the time. It's called 15 websites I've used to make money online, earn $200 per day online, and you can see almost everybody liked it. So what did I do to get more than 1000 subscribers with just one video? There are 3 things. First of all, I published a video that is helpful because here I saw 15 websites that you and my YouTube subscribers can use to make money online. So if you want to get many subscribers with one video, you must create something helpful that sincerely helps people. Second thing that made this video successful was that these were not only just some random websites, these were websites that I had used myself to make money. So there is this personality, because oftentimes people trust and appreciate it more when you show examples from your own life, not just 15 random websites. 15 websites that have paid me money and that have paid money to other people that I know. So this creates another benefit for your videos. And here is second example where I used the same strategy. Here I showed how I earned $67 in 1 hour for 100% free for watching videos online, and that video has generated almost 1000 subscribers. I believe it will be much more in the future, and there are the same 3 aspects. First of all, the video is very helpful because I saw how I made money watching videos and how my subscribers can make money watching videos, and many people who watch that, they earn the money immediately as well, and that's why almost everybody likes this. And then also it's very personal. I saw myself how I made it personally and how my viewers can make money while watching videos as well. And then on top of that, I also saw click by click how to do it, and on top of that I also give a $10 bonus through my link. So I give lots of benefits and help for my YouTube subscribers if they want to make money on this website. So they were helpful, personal, and there were tutorials. And then there was a third aspect. I promoted these videos. Well, let me show you where did people find this. So if we come here, reach, most of the views came from YouTube search and suggested videos. It means that suggested videos were often when I was promoting this video on my other YouTube videos, and then when people search myself, Roope Kiuttu, or my channel on YouTube, this video often comes up. Let me actually show you an example. If you search my name at the moment, this video comes up on the top. So I promoted this video on TikTok. I said, hey, I make $67 in 1 hour watching videos online. Type Roope Kiuttu on YouTube and you will see it. So that's how many people come to this video. I promoted it. Second, I promoted it in other YouTube videos, so you can see there is suggested videos. So I know many people who publish YouTube videos say that, but nobody's watching. Well, the question is, have you promoted your videos? I promote my videos also to my email list, sometimes even on Facebook. That's not very effective nowadays. But how do you promote your videos? Do you promote on Instagram, email list, TikTok? Like, that can give you a boost for your videos. Of course, that is not 100% necessary, as you will find out in the next examples, but this is one strategy. Publish helpful videos where you show your own examples and how other people can benefit, and then promote that video. You can see this example, 15 websites I've used to make money online, and if we go to analytics and we search for reach, you can see where does traffic come from. You can see almost 40% is from suggested videos, and I know a lot of that is from my other videos where I promote this video, and then of course from YouTube search and other sources, but a big part of it is from suggested videos. And I have also promoted video on my email list and on TikTok, so also many of those viewers have come from there. So provide helpful content and promote it. Let's move to our second strategy and second examples how I got 2400 subscribers with one video. But before that, if you want to learn step by step how to make money on YouTube, make sure you join my YouTube Journey to Freedom program through the link in the description. There I help you hand by hand, and I reveal to you the best strategies to build a successful YouTube channel and help you to make money as well on YouTube and make a big impact. So click the link in the description, and remember to share this video to all of your friends who want to make money on YouTube, because I believe it's going to help them as well. So here is the second strategy. This is now a different one than the first 2 examples and the first strategy. So here I have this how to make money with staking on Binance, and then was another video for CryptoTab tricks how to earn money faster. With both of these videos, I show different strategies and ways to make money on these websites and mobile applications that I am using myself. And this Binance video has generated more than 2,400 subscribers. That is insane, and it's not a coincidence because so many people love this video, and if you read any of these comments, people absolutely love this. Again, there was some elements that was similar as the first videos, so these were really helpful. This helped people to make my subscribers money. They earn money by following these steps, and they were personal because I showed how I make money. But now I didn't promote these videos so much. For example, this one I haven't promoted so much. So let me show you what is it. If we come here to reads, where is the source of traffic? YouTube search. And then if we come here, we see more in detail. When people search for Binance staking on Binance, staking Binance earn, people find my video. So I have chosen a keyword, and in this case it was Binance staking, how to make money with staking on Binance. People find this video. Let me actually show you Binance staking. At the moment it's not on the top, you can see it's 5, but it's still there. Or let's say how to make money on Binance staking. That's also what some people search. It's first one there. So with many different keywords, this comes here on the top 5, top 10, and that's how most of the people find it. So of course you need to find certain keywords that you can target and then get ranked on YouTube. And of course in my Tube Journey to Freedom, I teach you how you can choose those keywords, how you can get your videos ranked, and then you can get more subscribers, because one video, as you can see here, 2,400 subscribers. So this is possible. And then here is another example. You can see this CryptoTab tricks. Here I give 4 ways how people can earn more money with this CryptoTab. My subscribers love this application because it's really easy, set and forget. At the moment this video has generated like 870 subscribers, but as you can see it's growing, and over time it will be more than 1,000 subscribers from one video. And when I show you here from the reads, you will see that most of these people come from YouTube search. And if we come here, people are searching for CryptoTab browser, CryptoTab mining, so everything related to CryptoTab, and that's how people find this video. Again, the same strategy. I search for a keyword and then I target it, and then when people search for it, they find me on YouTube, I get subscribers and people get help. This is again the different strategy that I use here, because here people are not searching I earned $67, so people are not searching for 15 websites I've used to make money online. These are different strategies, 2 different strategies. Another one is for YouTube search, another strategy is for promotion and suggested videos, so you understand the difference here. In my program Tube Journey to Freedom, you obviously learn more about both of these strategies, but let me show you also a third strategy. Here is a video about Zareklamy, and this video has generated already more than 1,300 subscribers, and you can see it's all the time generating more and more. And you can see that there was really, like, you can see big spike here during the first 100 days or something like that. And this is a really funny example. I want to explain this to you. So I ask here, can you earn 1 cent per click? Is Zareklamy a scam or legit? And I explain about this application and so on and so forth. And let me show you here. Read, where did I get all of this traffic? Where did I get all of these subscribers? It says here external traffic, most of it. And then I come here, but where does that external come from? It says zareklamy.com, com.zareklamy. In the other words, can you imagine this? This company, Zareklamy, they promoted my video, even though I say in this video that there are probably much better apps to make money than Zareklamy. In this video, I basically say, don't use Zareklamy. There are much better ways to make money online. For example, in this video, 15 websites to make money, or let's say Binance, for example, or here, make money watching videos. There are much better ways to make money than Zareklamy. But still, they decided to promote my video, and I got like 1,300 subscribers, and of course, money from YouTube ads and from other things. But there's also an important lesson here. So if somebody promotes your videos, that can be huge. That can bring you tons of subscribers. So in this case, I became a little bit lucky because I didn't contact Zareklamy. I have never been in any touch with them, but they decided to promote my video. But you can also do this consciously. So you can contact some big YouTuber and ask them, hey, can we do a collaboration? You may even pay them money if that is necessary, or provide some other benefits. Or if you are their friends, maybe they just want to promote you because you are friends, and then you can get tons of subscribers. I remember there was this one prank channel with millions of subscribers, and they decided to give a shout out to one of a small YouTuber who was just starting out. And that new YouTuber got like thousands of subscribers with just that one shout out. So if you get to collaborate with big influencers or big companies, that can be a really huge boost for you. Which one of these strategies is the best one? I would say there is not only one best strategy, you can use all of them. I am the most familiar personally with this targeting the keyword, because here I have the control. I simply choose a keyword, I get ranked on YouTube. When people search for it, they come to see my video, they get the benefit, everybody benefits. So it's a wonderful strategy. And if you want to learn that step by step, how to make money on YouTube, how to get subscribers, how to get views, how to make an impact, all this great stuff, join my YouTube Journey to Freedom program through the link in the description. I would love to help you to build a successful YouTube channel. I will reveal to you the best secrets on YouTube, and I'm 100% sure you are absolutely going to love it. So click the first link in the description and you and me, my friend, we will see you inside immediately.